absolutely scintillating down at third base with that leather, and there is a base hit right down into the corner. So it's quickly now that ball gets away, and he's going to turn it on, and he's going to go for 3, and he's going to get there. So back-to-back triples. How many times you see that?
I have not seen it very much, and Rusney Castillo missed the cutoff man. That allowed Tyler to easily move into third base. That's RBI number 6. There's been 3 pitches. There's been 2 triples and a run. And the offense, which was hot in Cleveland, stays hot here in Boston.
Well, we have on the road won 8 out of the last 9 games, and in a time we have outscored the opposition 42-11.